Is your system getting slower as you use it while it is being charged? If so, then you can watch this video tutorial as we would show you steps on how to fix it. Now, the high heat generated by device's components is one of the significant reasons a laptop slows down when charging. Therefore, you should check the CPU temperature with temperature monitoring apps, or you can also check the task manager for the application that uses most of your PC. Now, if you found the culprit, try clearing it up. Moreover, you can try to clean your laptop or use some additional laptop cooling fan. Another possible fix is to check for problems with the power adapter. To ensure your power adapter is not causing your device to slow down, try charging your device with a different one that is compatible with it and see if that helps. If it improves performance, we recommend to buy a new power adapter. But if the problem persists, change the power settings. Just right-click on Start menu, click Power Options, choose Better Performance, then choose Recommended Settings. After that, open Control Panel, go to Power Options, change the power plan from High Performance to Balanced. So that's how to fix if your Windows laptop lags or slows down when charging your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.